thought since it's the last day of the test, then I may as well try the other kind of character. Because I was pretty dog shit at the killer, and I'm probably gonna be pretty dog shit at this. You know, you'd think that there'd be much more people playing the killer rather than the survivor, but I suppose it's a bit more balanced, this game, sort of. Oh shit. I think this guy is pretty loud. I can't remember. I've only seen like a little bit of it. But damn, cosmetics probably gonna go wild in this game. Oh, so I can like, I don't know what that exactly is, but it kind of looks like I can hit him or something. Like maybe stun him for a little bit. This person can break locks. I think he can, I don't know what this one is. Maybe it's a healing thing. But why is it always just one person not readying up? It's very it's very Big Al. Oh, now he's gone. Surely it wouldn't be that difficult to find another person who wants to kill people. I do really like the style of it. I wonder what other maps are gonna be in it. I really want to go back and play the Evil Dead game, but I really don't know how to play that. And at least, no, I don't have to play it on my own, because, oh my god. 2003 Toyota Corolla.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Marlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends
I mean,
are
if I
urging
somehow
anyone with
manage to actually
information
get out of
regarding
this,
her disappearance to please
that's a
come
pretty
forward.
big W.
6 reported cases of suspected food poisoning have led authorities to recall all meat sold through the Delverson meatpacking facility outside Coleman, which in turn led to the arrest of plant supervisor Justin Austin. 40-year-old Austin admitted some of the ground chuck produced by the facility had become tainted when several rats were discovered to have fallen into
I'm
the
feeling
process.
a little worried. Oh shit, I'm upside down. Okay, okay.
What's going on? What are they doing to us?
How do you crouch? Oh, they automatically like crouch, but
Hey, I can use this. Can I get through here?
see, this guy's really loud. But he is kind of like a tank character, so I suppose it's fair. So...
Please lead somewhere good.
my noise? Yo, someone's already out of the basement? See, like, it's good when you're paired up with people who are just...
How do we get out of here?
It's good when you're paired up with people that are just pure, like, gods at the game. I know there is a way to get out through the basement. Oh shit.
Damn.
Okay. I mean, that is an exit. The question is, how do you get to that kind of exit? You know? Fuse box? Okay, so I think I know where I get the fuse. It's like upstairs on one of the generators, so I have to, or is it in the house? I think it's in the house. And then once I get that, I can come back down here and unlock that, I think. Bro, someone's already escaped and I'm still trapped in the basement. It's like, there's no way I'm this bad. I'm pretty sure like everybody's upstairs. Bro, okay, so I need to find a toolkit.
What do we have here?
Yikes, homie, you're about to tell me I'm about to just die in the basement. And that's as far as I get. Don't even get to see outside. That's rough. Surely there has to be a tool in here. Isn't? Bruh.
Gotta get out of here.
Homie, where do I get a tool? Like, am I just dumb? Should there not be one in here? It would make sense. It's just hatch after hatch. Oh. Oh god.
Where is everybody? This is awful.
Oh, let's hope she keeps him busy.
Something useful.
Oh shit. Bro, I couldn't get out of here even if I wanted to.
Okay. They didn't see me.
Oh shit. Yeah, I would say I'm pretty much dead. Yep. Yep, my guy is yeah. Well, I mean, still pretty bad at this game. Only one guy got out. Well, I guess I was just destined to stay in the basement. Well, I have to say that is one of the biggest L's I've ever taken. Well, at least I'm second on the scoreboard. Oh, bro, that sucks. That's like an actual L. Bozo moment.